So now I am in the Twitter account of Luffy Token and they have 87.6k follower. This is the website of Luffy Token, luffytoken.com, talking about tweets and replies. One day ago they have posted something, Luffy birthday celebration, giveaway 100 T tokens, start August 1, 2022, end August 31, 2022. The rules for participants will be updated on next Monday. So Luffy birthday celebration 100 T token you can get also. Okay, so you can follow Luffy Token on Twitter to get the latest update from Luffy Token. And 6 hours ago they have made a new record, 14 million volume / 24 hour, leading by MEXC, Beat Exchange, Beatmart Exchange and L-Bank Exchange. So what is this? It is new record, 14 million volume / 24 hour, leading by MEXC Global, Get /IO, what you can say, Beatmart Exchange, L-Bank Exchange. Someone is killing all the sell orders. Let's kill the 3 today. So yes, it's really a good news for Luffy Token crypto holders. Okay, and they are thinking that they can kill some zero also. So if you want to get more update, you can come on Twitter account. And now we will go to the CoinMarketCap and we will check the current price of Luffy Token. So now we are in CoinMarketCap and you can see the trading volume of Luffy Token has been increased with 101.26%, and price change has also given a return of 4.08%. Talking about Luffy Token, if I talk about market rank, currently the market rank is 2772, but अगर इसका ट्रेडिंग वॉल्यूम और प्राइस चेंज इंक्रीज होता है आपको इसका मार्केट रैंक 2772 से 2770 में देखने को मिलेगा. नाउ द मेन क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन बाय लफी टोकन क्रिप्टो फॉर ट्रेडिंग. सो लेट मी इन्फॉर्म यू दिस. अगर आपको लफी टोकन क्रिप्टो बाय करना है ट्रेडिंग के लिए, आप इसे इजीली get.io और फिर यूनिस्वैप V2 से बाय कर सकते हो. तो ये वीडियो था लफी टोकन V2 को लेके. एंड इफ यू वांट टू हैव इन्वेस्टमेंट इन एनी क्रिप्टो, डू अ प्रॉपर क्रिप्टो मार्केट रिसर्च एंड प्लीज जॉइन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल. So if you want to have investment in any crypto, do a proper crypto market research because crypto market is highly volatile. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video.